Welcome to OrthoChitru. In this video, I will discuss the various features of the chart view. OrthoChitru comes with a host of indicators. For this demonstration, I will add a 50-day simple moving average and I will also apply the volume. I will right-click on the chart and in the context menu, I will click on Indicator. In the Indicator Selector dialog, I will first select the simple moving average. To apply the indicator, I can click on the Add button or can simply double-click to add the indicator. In the indicator parameters on the right, I will set the period value to 50. I will also change the plot color and plot width. And I will now apply the volume indicator. Okay, now the indicators are all plotted. Please do note, besides the native indicator, OrthoChitru lets you build your own indicators too, using SharpScript, a C#-based scripting language. OrthoChitru also lets you render drawing objects. To draw a drawing object, we will click on the drawing palette icon in the menu bar. For this demonstration, let us draw a gun fan. I can change the drawing object by simple drag and drop operation. I can also invoke the drawing properties dialog by double-clicking on it and further customize it, including changing the color, etc. Again, the drawing objects are also exposed and you can also custom code your own drawing object. The y-axis of the chart can be oriented both on the right or left side. Every visual, whether a bar or an indicator, can independently assign the y-axis orientation. For example, if I want to change the y-axis orientation of the bars to the left, I can do so by invoking the data series. In the bars parameters, I will set the y-axis orientation to left and will click on OK. Now, as you can see, both the left and right y-axis is visible. While the left axis is for the BSE bars, the right axis is for the moving average. Given the moving average is an overlay on the bars, we will change the axis orientation. We can change the axis orientation of the moving average or we can change the axis orientation of the bars. In this case, we will change the axis orientation of the bars to right. Now both the visuals share the same y-axis. This will also give a correct view of the moving averages. We can also change the panel index of the indicators. For example, we can move the volume indicator from the lower panel to the bars panel. To do this, we will invoke the indicator selector dialog. We will select the volume indicator. We will set the panel index to 1, meaning this will be applied on the bars panel. Okay, now as we can see, the chart scale has gone completely crazy. To fix this, we can simply change the axis orientation of the volume indicator to left or overlay. OrthoChitru can render both linear and logarithmic charts. Currently, I have a weekly linear chart of BSE. If I want to change the bars to logarithmic scale, then all I have to do is right-click on the chart. In the context menu, I will go to y-axis properties and will click on right y-axis. In the y-axis properties dialog, I will set the option scale type to logarithmic. Now I have a logarithmic chart. Please do note, you can route order normally, just like the linear chart. OrthoChitru also lets you change the y-axis scale on the fly. Simply press the left mouse button and drag the mouse up or down to zoom in or zoom out. Rotating the mouse wheel over the y-axis will make the chart scroll. Please note, if you change the y-axis scale and want to revert back to automatic scaling, Just press the fixed button on the y-axis. We can also change the bar space and bar width. To increase the bar space, all we have to do is press the Ctrl key along with the up arrow key. To decrease the bar space, we will press the Ctrl key along with the down arrow key. Similarly, to increase the bar width, we will press the Alt key and press the up arrow key. And to decrease the bar width, we will press the Alt key and press the down arrow key. The charts are highly customizable. You can invoke the chart properties, which lets you further customize the chart. You can change the grid line color, session break color, whether or not you want to see the grid lines, adjust the margins, and a host of things. So please do experiment and customize the chart to your own taste. Happy trading and thanks for your time.